So today's class is all about the pronunciation in English. Holding the right pronunciation is very important in order to make your English sound impressive, right? The first thing that you all need to take care is you need to understand where do the words come from. The voice of the words has some connection with your throat, with your lips, with your teeth, and also somewhere down the lane with your upper mouth. Inside the area inside your mouth, you have the upper area, the upper scalp of your mouth. Okay, we can't say the scalp, the upper roof of your mouth. Okay, where the tongue touches, right? When you speak a lot of words, you realize your tongue either touches your teeth, or it touches your upper roof of the mouth. Okay, or sometimes it also revolves. If you see, your tongue revolves either towards up or towards down. Okay, for example, suppose if I pick some word like movement. movement मूवमेंट में क्या हो रहा है, मेरे यहाँ पे गले में हल्का सा स्ट्रेस आता है. मूवमेंट, a bit. There is a slight I mean, just a second. There is a slight stress in your mouth, okay, when you say the word movement. Okay, but if you speak words like woman, or if you say, suppose, words like boat, when you say the word boat, your lips move towards forward, they protrude forward. Boat. But when you say the word beat, your lips slip down. Beat. Boat. Protrude out. Beat. Boat. Protruding and slipping of the lips is there. Right? Apart from that, some words like thirsty, in which your tongue and throat both are in stress. Thirsty. You see, your tongue revolves towards your throat. Thirsty. There's a stretch over here. So, learning the right pronunciation of the word is connected with knowing where the pronunciation comes from, whether it comes from your throat or it comes from the lips or the tongue, or a connection of all these three. Sometimes, suppose, जैसे ना, okay, use this word. I'm going to type a word for you on your screen. Okay, just a second. Share screen. I'm not going to speak that for you. Okay. I'll just type it for you. Wait. Just a second. Do we have an option of chat? Yes, it's here. Suppose if I write this word. You all know this word. It's quite common. But then how do you pronounce it? Tushar, how do you pronounce this word for me? Thankyou. How do you pronounce it?
Thank you.
Thank you. Anjali,
Thank you.
thank you or thank you, right? That's how? Thank you. Okay. Whereas the right pronunciation of this word is not thank you, no. The right pronunciation is sir. Thank you. आप कभी भी
Thank
एक
you.
आप नेटफ्लिक्स देखते हो आजकल, अमेजन प्राइम पे यंगस्टर्स बहुत हैं, आप कभी भी उन शोज में ना प्रोफेशनल्स को थैंक यू बोलते हुए सुन लेना. आप कहोगे यार ये थैंक यू को थैंक यू नहीं बोलते, थैंक यू. जैसे हम बर्थडे बोलते हैं, बर्थडे नहीं, बर्थडे भी नहीं, बर्थडे.
Birthday.
बर्थडे,
Birthday.
right? Birthday. इसी तरह आपको राइट प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ एवरी वर्ड हैज टू बी learned. It's not 30, it's not 30, it's 30, 30,
30.
30, 30. Can you try?
30.
Okay, Tushar, can you try?
30.
30. अभी भी सिंपल है, जितना सिंपल बोलोगे ठीक है, इंग्लिश आती है, सिंपल आती है. The moment you have your pronunciation in a little better way, 30. I was thinking to thank you in your later 30s. मैं सोच रही थी आपको थैंक यू करूं जब आप अपने लेट 30s में आ जाओगी, यानी 38 37 इयर्स की एज में आप जब आ जाओगी, 37 38 39 इयर्स की एज में आ जाओगी. आई वाज थिंकिंग टू थैंक यू देन. इट्स नॉट थैंक यू, इट्स थैंक यू. आई वाज थिंकिंग. जब आप think बोलोगे तो आप नोट करना, आपके दोनों टीथ के बीच में आपकी टंग हल्का सा टच करेगी और हवा को बाहर थ्रो करेगी. And your lips will feel that air. Thinking. Try it out yourself. Give yourself one shot to try it. Thinking. 30.
Thinking.
Think.
30.
थ नहीं, पूरा थ नहीं बोलना. थ स और हवा आएगी दोनों के बीच में. Thinking. It's a little difficult process.
Thinking.
It's a little difficult process. It's not easy. I have been practicing earlier in my initial years, and therefore I'm okay with it now. Okay. Therefore, you need to learn such words. Ma'am, अब ये words हमें कैसे मिलेंगे? I'll provide you a list of words and their pronunciation. Okay. But how can you improve these is the important process. You need to importantly know, मैम इनको इम्प्रूवमेंट करें कैसे. फर्स्ट थिंग, चलो आपने बता दिया, हम कोशिश कर लेंगे, विल ट्राई टू कॉपी यू. बट कॉपी करने के भी तरीके हैं. हाउ? यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस. You need to put yourself in front of the mirror. If not mirror, the front camera of your phone is your mirror anyway. When you will see yourself, you will realize how do you pronounce, whether do you give a pout while you speak, whether do you give the right movement of the lips. जब मैं आप देखो, मैं एक थैंक यू बोल रही हूँ, थैंक यू, my lips are opening wide. थैंक यू, पहले मेरा हल्का सा टीथ ओपन हो रहा है. थैंक यू, my lips are opening wide. बट जब मैं इसको राइट प्रोनाउंसिएशन में बोलूंगी, सपोज thank you, see my teeth will not open much. Thank you, just have a look when I'm speaking. Thank you, पहले जब मैं बोल रही थी thank you, teeth
Lips were opening wide.
थोड़े से टीथ खुल के पीछे एकदम ज्यादा खुले, फिर लिप्स ओपन हुए. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
बट अब आप जब
Thank you.
थैंक यू बोलोगे, देयर इज अ सॉफ्टनेस. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
देयर इज अ
Thank
सॉफ्टनेस.
you.
थैंक यू. और हवा निकलेगी टीथ्स में से, मतलब टंग के बाहर आते आते हल्का सा आपकी हवा का प्रेशर आपको फील होगा. थैंक यू. 30. 30s.
30.
Thinking.
30.
I was just thinking, First thing is this. First thing, you need to learn the right pronunciation of every word. Easily available on Google nowadays, isn't it? One. Second thing, you need to learn, you need to put yourself in front of the mirror. You need to put yourself in front of the mirror and see whether you're opening your mouth loud or a little less. जिस वर्ड पे जिसकी जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन है, उस तरीके से आपकी लिप मूवमेंट जब आने लग जाएगी, माउथ मूवमेंट जब आने लग जाएगी, ऑटोमेटिक आप धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करके उसके हैबिचुअल हो जाओगे. क्लियर? अब जनरल रूटीन में तो मैं भी इसको थैंक यू बोलती हूँ, because everybody over here is the same kind. But the moment I am in some professional area, the moment where I have to speak professionally, I'll make sure that I have this thank you as thank you, thank you, thank you so much. One is knowing the right pronunciation. Second, copying your mouth movement. ठीक है, in front of the mirror. Third thing, देखो बेटे, कुछ लेटर्स को स्ट्रेस दिया जाता है, कुछ लेटर्स को फ्री छोड़ा जाता है. कुछ लेटर्स को स्ट्रेस दिया जाता है, कुछ लेटर्स को फ्री छोड़ा जाता है. आपको ये रियलाइज करना होगा कि एक अच्छी इंप्रेसिव इंग्लिश में कौन से लेटर्स कब फ्री छोड़े जाते हैं और कौन से लेटर्स कब स्ट्रेस दिए जाते हैं. सपोज अगर हम एलिफेंट की बात करें, ELEPHANT, एलिफेंट, राइट. इसके अंदर एली है, जो एले, इसके ऊपर स्ट्रेस है, छोटा है ये वर्ड एले. जब हम इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन करते हैं, एले, एलिफेंट, एले, एलिफेंट. फैंट स्मूथ है, एले को स्ट्रेस में लिया हुआ है, एले. फैंट इज फ्री, एले इज इन स्ट्रेस. Elephant, elephant. LA is in stress and fant is in free movement. Free. LA, stress. Fant is in free. तो धीरे धीरे आपको हैबिट डालनी है. कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स की प्रोनाउंसिएशन. ऑस्ट्रेलिया का एक्सेंट अलग है, अमेरिका का एक्सेंट और यूके के एक्सेंट में, दोनों में फर्क है. आपको इस चीज का अच्छे से पता है, right? We are going to follow the British accent as much as possible. Okay, because that's a more formal way of speaking. Correct? Am I understandable to all of you? Right? You need to make sure that you need to realize किस word को कहाँ पे stress देना. Suppose the pronunciation of the word WOMAN. WOMAN. Tushar, try it out. WOMAN. हिंदी में हम इसे औरत बोलते हैं. इंग्लिश में मैं प्रोनाउंस नहीं करूंगी अभी. वुमन, वुमैन, मैन लगा हुआ तो हम इसको वुमैन बोलते हैं. वुमैन, वुमैन ना, वुमन, वुमन या वुमैन या वुमन, वुमन. Okay, see बेटे, WOMEN प्लूरल वुमेन का, बहुत सारी लेडीज हैं, उनका प्लूरल है, तो उसमें हम इसको वीमेन बोलते हैं. वीमेन, विमेन, विमेन. VMIN बोलने में वो ऐसे होगा, विमेन, VMIN, विमेन. ओके, वुमन, VOOMUN, वुमन. बोलने में हम उसको ऐसे बोलेंगे. जो सिंगल वुमन है, WOMAN, उसको हम बोलेंगे VOOMUN, वुमन. वुमन, वुमन, बोलने में मन आएगा लास्ट में, वुमन, वुमन. और जब प्लूरल है, MEN लगता है जब WOMEN में, हम उसको प्रोनाउंसिएशन में लेंगे VMIN, विमेन, विमेन, women. Am I clear, Tushar? I need to see you, Tushar. I want to see how handsome you're growing these days. Tushar?
Yes, ma'am.
Can't see you. I hope you don't have your girlfriend around, Nona? Okay. All right. So similarly, suppose let's pick up one word today. Comfortable, comfortable, comfortable. अलग अलग pronunciation देते हैं लोग इसकी. COMFORTABLE, comfortable. Can you give me give me the right pronunciation of this word.
Comfortable.
Okay, I'm giving you few options. Tell me, out of them, which one is? Pronunciation के option दे रही हूँ मैं, लिख के दे रही हूँ. Do we pronounce it like this or or okay, try any three of them. Which is the right pronunciation? These are three options available for its pronunciation. Do we have it as comfortable or
Second one.
comfortable or comfortable?
Comfortable.
It's comfortable. For R
Second
silent हो
one.
जाएगा, R silent हो जाएगा बीच वाला, और टेबल को
Comfortable.
टबल. ये नहीं है कि वो टेबल है तो हम उसको टेबल
Comfortable.
की तरह ही प्रोनाउंस करेंगे. टबल,
Comfortable.
टबल.
Comfortable.
जैसे हम
Comfortable.
यस अक्टूबर होता है, अक्टूबर, बच्चे इसको ऐसे बोलते हैं अक्टूबर, अक्टूबर, बट इसकी एक्चुअल प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है अक्टूबर, टबर, अक्टूबर,
Table.
अक्टूबर,
Table.
टूबर नहीं, टबर.
Table.
सिमिलरली टेबल नहीं, टबल.
Table.
कंफर्टेबल,
Comfortable.
कंफर्टेबल.
Comfortable.
आर भी हट गया और टेबल को हमने शॉर्ट बोलना होता है टबल, कंफर्टेबल. But it will take some time for you people to improve upon your this pronunciation. आज से start करोगे तो कुछ words को pick करोगे. I will give you a list of few words. I'll give you a list of 25 to 30 words today. और उनके pronunciation इसी तरीके से लिख के दूंगी मैं break करके कि कैसे बोलना है. Clear? Right? And then you people need to speak it every day. पहले उसको सिर्फ word को बोलोगे, फिर आप उसको sentence में बोलोगे. Okay, and then when every day we speak in English, I'm going to pinpoint you in your pronunciation mistakes. And why did you speak it like that? I'll stop you. You should not speak it like this. Clear? Suppose if I ask you a few more words, just a second. Just a minute. Suppose, let's take the word breakfast. B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T.
Breakfast.
It's
I
breakfast.
think it's breakfast.
Yes, it's break. Break with me. Break.
Breakfast.
Yes, breakfast. Breakfast, not breakfast, not breakfast.
Breakfast.
It's breakfast.
First.
Yes.
Breakfast.
Then take the word garbage. G-A-R-B-A-G-E. Garbage.
Garbage.
Can you try?
Garbage. Garbage. Garbage.
It's, you have to make the sense of R. The, R to be silent.
Garbage.
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 Please throw, not throw.
Throw.
It should be throw. Please throw the
Throw.
garbage,
Throw
not
the
garbage, garbage. और बज में भी थोड़ा छोटा रहेगा वो pronunciation, right? Suppose then if I take the word, let me pick up. Okay. हम जनरली मैं खाने की आइटम्स नहीं बोलूंगी, ये बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं जैसे पिज्जा एंड ऑल दीज स्टफ्स, पास्ता, these all are available on the net. Okay, for me I'm going to give you a list of others also, but what is important right now, just suppose I'll write the word for you. Just a second. I'm not able to screen share in this today. I don't know, whiteboard share nahi ho raha, but then I'll just write it for you. Okay, chat mein likh rahi hu main. Just have a look. Go for this word. Tushar, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't see you. I don't have to remind you again, bete. Okay. What will be the pronunciation or pronunciation or pronunciation? What would be?
Pronunciation.
Pronunciation?
Pronunciation.
Pronunciation? Be sure. Are you? Noun होता है ना इंग्लिश में तो.
No, but it will be pronunciation.
Yes, it has to be
Always.
pronunciation. Pronunciation nahi. Pronunciation. Tushar, are you getting it, Vijay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next one is Tushar, I want to see you. Otherwise, I will not take the class this way. Okay.
Ma'am, phone charging is low.
You should keep a charge every day. Okay. Then next one is suppose Jewellery.
Sometimes
Jewelry.
people call it jewelry. Nowadays it call it jewelry.
It's jewelry.
Earlier, it's called
Earlier it was
jewelry.
jewelry. It's jewelry.
Now it's jewelry.
Yes.
Jewelry.
इंडिया में ज्वेलरी था पहले से ही jewelry है otherwise इसकी pronunciation तो according to UK accent it is jewelry since very beginning. Jewelry. Okay. So bete I am going to give you a list of words. We will practice it also. But आज मैं आपको एक start देना चाहती थी कि आप अपने इस तरीके से बहुत सारे words हैं जिनको पहले आप basic improve करो. ठीक है हम कितनी भी अच्छी एक्सप्रेसिव इंग्लिश बोल ले मैम पहले आप कहते थे ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करो फिर आप कहते थे एक्सप्रेसिवनेस आओ अब कहते हैं एक्सप्रेसिवनेस भी कुछ नहीं है अगर प्रोनाउंसिएशन ठीक नहीं है अभी आप ये ठीक करोगे फिर उसके बाद मैं आपको कुछ और ऐड करवाऊंगी जो आप कहोगे मैम ये सारा बेकार है इसका मतलब नो ऑल द थिंग्स आर इंटरकनेक्टेड all these things are interconnected we need to groom ourselves step by step right okay so you need to improve upon your pronunciation skills by noticing the words that you speak wrong. अब कैसे पता लगेगा? Please go ahead with any good English series, web series or anything. उनमें notice क्या करो? उनको सिर्फ देखने के लिए, सुनने के लिए नहीं. Not for the sake of watching a series. It should be for the sake of watching or for the sake of learning something in English. अब आप देखना आप thank you, thinking, thought, throw, 30 इन पे तो खास ध्यान रखोगे because these are the words which are commonly pronounced in the same way as I'm doing now. Okay? किसी भी ऐसे आप उसमें सीरीज में जाओगे तो आप देखोगे इंग्लिश या हिंदी आप देखोगे जो प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड में जो लोग कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में है या जो मतलब कंपनीज में वर्क कर रहे हैं बिजनेसमैन है they will speak in the hi-fi people they will speak in the way as in the right pronounced way it is supposed to be. Throw, thinking. Clear? Now, ma'am, और क्या तरीके हैं? Find somebody who has good command over pronunciation. You need a partner for that. Maybe somebody does not have, but then you need to have a partner who is having similar interest of learning the same things. Practice with that person online. And pick 10 words every day from the net or from the list that I will give. Check their pronunciation in UK accent and practice those. Yeah. Keep a list pasted in front of you, on a wall in front of you, or on the notice board in front of you. Sit with your friend, talk with her in English, use those words in sentences, and pronounce them properly. Use a mirror to know your facial expressions. See yourself whether when I'm saying thank you, do I look awkward? अगर आज के टाइम में कोई बर्थडे बोलता है तो आपको कैसे लगता है बर्थडे है मेरा यार आज तो बर्थडे है मेरा how do you feel Anjali Tushar how do you feel both of you
A little bit awkward
क्यों क्योंकि वो pronunciation ऐसे है नहीं आज के टाइम में we don't speak that way That's supposed to be birthday. अब बर्थडे बोलोगे तो भी अब थोड़ा अजीब लगेगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे रेगुलरली कोई बोलता नहीं है, right? At least take the Indian accent. Birthday. It's my birthday today. Birthday ये भी बोल देते हैं. Take your country's accent, but at least don't go awkward, right? But you should know the accent of a different country too. If not properly, at least the pronunciation of some words. For example, if I'm speaking with you, suppose I have to say, I don't generally do this. I don't generally do swimming. अब मैं इसमें एक एक वर्ड को स्ट्रेस करके बोल रही हूँ. I don't generally do swimming. You see my tone?
Sometimes we call it generally, na?
Yes.
Don't we call it generally?
I'll tell you what first. पहले हम क्या कर रहे हैं, मैं अब इसमें स्ट्रेस दे रही हूँ. I don't generally do swimming. See my tone, it's stressful. Now I'm going to speak the same sentence in a free flow. I generally don't do swimming, or I don't generally do swimming. मैंने स्ट्रेस ना देके उसको फ्री फ्लो बोला है. Even this small little act of speaking in stress or speaking free makes your English better or worse. अगर मैं LA में elephant, ठीक है, अब elephant को अगर मैं मान लो जहाँ पे stress देना वहां पे मैं इसको LA के बजाय elephant. If I'm speaking this way, elephant, it's looking awkward. Therefore, the right stress at the right desired speech is necessary. And the right freedom of your tone at the right time is also necessary. Otherwise, it has the capacity to make either your English communication stronger or it worsens it like anything. अब anything, मैंने छोटा सा वर्ड बोला anything, मैं stress देके बोल रही हूँ. It worsens like anything. I'm giving a tone, accent. That's wrong. It worsens like anything. Smoothly. Anything. Pressure nahi de rahi main. I don't have to give pressure. I have to say anything. Smoothly. You need to learn where to smoothen, where to free the word, and where to stress the word. For this, you need to undergo at least 300 to 400 or to 1,000 words of pronunciations. Right? You need to learn those words. You need to understand. You need to see them in the videos. You need to speak them. If not in the videos, just check on the UK accent on Google. Just Google the pronunciation of the particular word. Am I making myself clear to you people?
Yes, Dee.
Right? Tushar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Many people come up to many good speakers in English and ask them, why can't I speak like that? The problem is that you can't. It's not like that you can't. The problem is you do not pick up the right words, the right tone, the right pronunciation, the right tone, and you don't practice them in your daily routine. That's the only difference. Right? ठीक है? तो आपने new words सीखने हैं, उनकी pronunciation देखनी है. Then you need a partner to practice for that. You need to see yourself in mirror. Whether what kind of facial expressions do you give while speaking those words? Do they look awkward? Clear? And apart from that, you need to watch and listen to certain web series which are in English so that you can compare. आप compare कर सकते हो कि जो मैं जिस तरह से pronounce करती हूँ क्या वो भी इसी तरीके से pronounce करते हैं. If you can't watch web series, keep a person who is ideal for you. Suppose any good speaker in English, आपको लगता है वो अच्छा बोलता है, try to copy, imitate, listen to his speeches or her speeches. Find any speaker on TED Talks on YouTube. Right? Find any speaker on TED Talks on YouTube. Follow his or her speech every day. एक speaker की speech को आप हर रोज सुनो जिसकी आपको अच्छी लगती है और उसकी English अच्छी होनी. If you can't decide, take the reference from your teacher. I'm there to guide you for that. I'll guide you, don't worry. Yeah, Tushar, am I talking to your
Yes, ma'am.
junior kid? Am I talking to your junior bachpan ki photo? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
I need to see you today. Is that not possible? That's better. Again, you've gone. See? Is it a hide and seek going on?
I'm charging पे रहा हूँ इसलिए
Charging नहीं है मैम पहले क्यों नहीं की बेटे?
खत्म हो गई.
Okay, no worries. I'll keep the session intact. The main things about the session were this only today. Rest was the practice material, which we will keep it for tomorrow. I will give this video of today's to those students as well. When they'll join us tomorrow, we'll be having a complete pronunciation of many words. I'll give you around 100 words pronunciation tomorrow. We will take it in an audio class because that's important. देखो देखने को तो आप नेट से भी देख सकते हो words, but when your teacher is teaching you, whom you understand, that's much better. Right? That's much better. Clear? So let's do one thing. Let's keep it precise. I've given you the instructions of how to improve your pronunciation. Definitely, please use the theory of mirror and a partner. Clear? Theory of a mirror and a partner. I hope that will make everybody comfortable. All right. Is there any doubt? Tushar, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Anjali, any doubt?
No, Di.
Okay. I'll just get back to you in another video. I'm just calling you in another meeting as of in a few minutes. Okay, in just a few minutes. Okay, ending this video as of now.